First open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type scconfig wuauserv start equals auto and then press Enter. Type scconfig bits start equals auto and then press Enter. Type scconfig cryptsvc start equals auto and then press Enter. Type scconfig trustedinstaller start equals auto and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop wuauserv and then press Enter. Type netstop cryptsvc and then press Enter. Type netstop bits and then press Enter. Type netstop msi server and then press Enter. Type renc/windows/software distribution.old and then press Enter. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2catroot2.old and then press Enter. Type netstart wuauserv and then press Enter. Type netstart cryptsvc and then press Enter. Type netstart bits and then press Enter. Type netstart msi server and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Now open Start and type PowerShell. Right-click PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type wuauserv.x/update now and then press enter. Type exit and then press enter. Now restart. Windows Update should be repaired. If that didn't work, open Start and type Troubleshoot. Open Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot Windows Update. Press Run the troubleshooter. Wait for the program to detect your Windows Update issues. Press Apply this fix. Wait for the program to repair Windows Update.